Hey, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm making for you a Pastrami Reuben on the Blackstone Griddle, right after this. Alright, let's go over the ingredients. First, you're going to need 1 cup of sauerkraut, a pound of pastrami sliced thin, 1,000 Island dressing, mayo or butter, rye bread, Swiss cheese, cooking oil, and of course you're going to need a Blackstone griddle. And if you don't have a Blackstone griddle, you can just do this in a frying pan on the stove. Alright, so the first thing I'm doing is adding cooking oil to my griddle. And I'm just going to spread the oil out. You don't need a whole bunch of oil, I'm just putting it up there to keep the pastrami from sticking. So pretty much all you're doing is just heating up your pastrami, getting it nice and hot. Alright, next I'm adding my sauerkraut. I'm just going to bring that up to temperature. Now here I'm putting mayo on my rye so I can toast it on the griddle. You can use butter if you choose, or you can just toast it plain if you like. And so here I'm adding my Swiss cheese to my rye bread. Unfortunately, I ran out of Swiss. I was gonna do this video just for 1 sandwich, but then I decided to make one for my son, and didn't have enough cheese. But you definitely want to have enough cheese to cover both sides of the bread. So here I'm just adding my sauerkraut to one side, and then I'm gonna add meat. And then I'll add my 1,000 Island dressing. And for the 1,000 Island dressing, you can add as much or as little as you want. It's your preference. So now all I'm going to start doing is just stacking the meat onto the sandwich. And I'm making one for myself and one for my son. So one's going to be bigger, one's going to be a little bit smaller. And while you're at it, I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers. I'm almost there. I'm at about 980 subscribers. So hit that subscribe button. Support the channel. It doesn't cost you anything, and I definitely would appreciate it. Also, if there's anything that you want to see me make on this channel, just put it in the description below. Alright, that's pretty much it. The sandwiches are finished. Alright, so now I'm just going to move them over to my cutting board. But yeah, that's pretty much it. So you got the Reuben sandwich, old school sandwich. A lot of diners, a lot of restaurants, a lot of pubs have served this sandwich. And I'll have a little history about the sandwich in my description below. So just once again, I just want to thank you for coming to the channel, for checking out another Cooking and Grilling with Carl video. Also, definitely hit that subscribe button. I'm almost at 1,000 subscribers. Definitely check me out on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok, Cooking and Grilling with Carl. With that note, I just want to thank you for coming to the channel. Thank you for supporting the channel. And yeah, so just keep coming back for recipes like these. On that note, I say God bless and catch you on the next video. Peace.